Now, Stormwatch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Cloudy skies right now in Brookings. We've had a bit of a break from some of the heavier rain we've been seeing so far today, but there's going to be more shower activity moving in this evening and tonight. Take a look at some of these rain amounts. Red Mound up in the mountains of Curry County, over 5 inches of rain. Port Orford, over 3 inches falling. Agnes, 2.5, just over 2.5 inches of rainfall. This is from the past 24 hours. Cave Junction just shy of 2 inches. Also some impressive amounts for Grants Pass, but much lighter totals as you head into the Medford area, down into much of Northern California and the east side. Klamath Falls, just 7/100ths of an inch. We still have a flood warning in place for southwest Curry County, including Brookings and Gold Beach. Goes until 7 o'clock tonight. There's been numerous reports of at least some minor flooding, some of the creeks and streams, as well as some urban flooding leading to water on the roadways. So use extreme caution out there through this evening. We should see things getting at least a little bit better, but there is still at least a little bit more rain on tap for tonight. We're starting to see some of that shower activity picking up to the north of Brookings and Gold Beach. Also a few isolated showers through Jackson and Josephine County. We'll see more of this scattered showers and higher elevation snow showers moving through as we head into tonight on into your Thursday. But taking a look at temperatures this hour, it's 54 in Medford as we've gotten those winds to pick up last night into today. That's definitely helped things warm up for our inland valleys. 52 in Grants Pass right now, 41 currently in Klamath Falls. Winds still pretty gusty along and east of the Cascades. Sustained winds at 20 miles per hour in Klamath Falls, and we're getting some much higher gusts up towards the Crater Lake and Diamond Lake area and portions of the east side. There is still a wind advisory in place until 10 o'clock tonight, but I do expect winds to come down. We could get some gusts, 40, 50 or so miles per hour through the Cascade Crest, some of the higher terrain of the east side, but those winds will relax overnight. Tomorrow mainly just going to be breezy at the coast and then up through some of the higher terrain in the region. And then winds are going to pick up for more of southern Oregon and northern California as we head into your Friday. Tonight, look for scattered showers, snow up in our higher elevations, 41 in Medford, 34 in Klamath Falls. We could see some patchy areas of fog for some inland valleys. Tomorrow, still fairly mild. Temperatures running near to even above average for this time of the year. We'll have more widespread rain, higher elevation snow through the morning, and then things will gradually dry out as we step through the day. You'll see that here with Stormcast. More of this wet weather pushing in tonight. Skies staying rather cloudy. Rain, snow impacting places like Crater Lake, Diamond Lake, maybe up towards Chemult, higher terrain areas into tomorrow morning. So not expecting much significant impacts to travel in the region. And then by the time we get towards later in the afternoon, it's pretty quiet. Just a lot of clouds out there throughout southern Oregon and northern California. Break in the action for many of us on Friday, at least through the morning, but it does look like things are going to progressively get wetter as we head into this weekend. Snow mainly staying above 5,500 feet. So much higher snow levels with these systems as we move through the weekend, but some of the rain could be pretty heavy again for the coast, and we'll be building that snowpack up in our higher elevations. And then winds also going to be a story as we head into this weekend, definitely picking up, and you can see those wetter days ahead for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So your 7-day forecast for the coast looking like this. The chance for some showers into tomorrow morning, and then we'll see some heavier rain moving in, especially for this weekend. Northern California this weekend, rain, higher elevation snow, but we're looking good for travel along I-5 through Siskiyou County through this weekend. The Klamath Basin, snow mainly staying in the higher terrain areas of the east side. Winds will be gusty though, both Saturday and Sunday. A break in the action from precipitation for the most part on Friday. The mountains, rain and snow, those snow levels staying on the higher side. Accumulations mainly staying above about 5,000, 5,500 feet. We'll keep an eye on those snow levels through the weekend. And then in the Rogue Valley, looking at showers likely for tomorrow, especially through the morning, and some steadier, heavier rain potentially with some of those systems through the weekend.